optical art. Okay guys, this is going to be a very difficult video for me to make, but Bitcoin's looking a little bullish. Sorry, I just threw up in my mouth a little bit. This chart here, I covered this yesterday in this video. I'll put a link up to it now if you want to check it out. I'll play a clip of this for you real quick. Possible that we're topped out. If this is an ascending broadening wedge, again, if we get above 66,400-ish, if we get above this point and get bullish, that means we break into the upside out of this ascending broadening wedge. So I did think that it was more likely we'd break to the downside. You can see that we actually really pushed up. I would give you this target here. This would be the next point to get rejected. This was a lot of resistance, so this would be your next resistance level. Again, it's kind of pointless swing trading in a bull run. I mean, the best thing to do is just dollar cost average in, or just be in, because it's just going to continue to the moon. So again, it looks like it's pushing up. Typically, your target broadening wedge would be the distance of the mouth. This is for a broadening wedge. We were in an ascending broadening wedge, but again, this is Bitcoin. It only goes up. But your target would pretty much be the mouth. So that would be a distance of right here actually, which would put us up to this point. Again, you don't need that target. Even if we hit it, we'll eventually push past it. If you do want to access these charts for targets to swing trade, I don't know why you would, but the website address will be pinned in the first comment description. All the charts are live. Just click link, they load up. But let me show you where we're headed, guys. It's pretty bullish. So you can see this blue line here. We got rejected. Resistance, 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 resistance. Push above the support. This is the point we hit where we got rejected. So obviously, if we break above this, then we're going much higher. And let me show you where that target is probably going to be. I don't typically talk about this, but you notice these bars in the background. Let me make this a little brighter. We've pretty much been following this fractal to a T. Back here, you can see the bars were lower. These are the bars from a previous bull run. You can see right here, it's kind of similar, but again, we were much higher than where these bars are. But at this point, we started following this. You can see that we even had a correction here, pushed up, had a small correction, came up. I mean, it pretty much is following these bars. And again, this was from our previous bull run. So if it's following it this closely, I mean, you can see it came down, found support, pushed up, even had slight rejection, pushed up, rejection, topped out here, pushed up, and we pushed up. So we're about right here right now. So I don't see why I wouldn't continue to follow this pattern. That means within the next potentially in less than 2 weeks, if we get above this resistance right here, guys, we're headed to $89,000. So yeah, I mean, it looks like we're going to the moon. But yeah, that's your target. If by some chance we do get rejected, I don't know why we would. The stock market's never going to crash. Bitcoin's going to make us all rich. But just by some weird fluke, we came down. Your next major support is 60,947. But guys, I'll see you up here, and that's pretty much it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart, and Bitcoin is gonna fucking crash.